So you've just exported a whole bunch of records from Dynamics, and now you have your big Excel spreadsheet with lots of files, and you're doing some checks in Excel. And to find the records in Dynamics, you must go back to Dynamics and search by names or whatever column you have. And it just takes enormous amount of time, and you're asking yourself, is that the best way there is? No, there is a better way. Let me show you how to do that. So if I go to Dynamics, I can see here I have the list of my contacts. This is my Dynamics trial. And what I can do is click on Export to Excel. And this will, as usual, give me the list of all my contacts. Now, the usual way to go back to this contact, let's say, to this person, is just to copy the name and paste it back in Dynamics. So instead of copying and pasting the full names of our contacts, let's create a little hyperlink for each of the contacts we have in each of the rows. And this hyperlink will allow us to open the record by just clicking on the Open Link button. Let me show you. You can see that this is column D, so there's something hidden here. Let me open that. So if I unhide and unhide again, and unhide again, I can see something really useful here. So these are what's called Dynamics contacts IDs, and you can see this if you check the first few characters. You see CDCFA450, and if you go back to your contact and try to open it, you'll see that this CDCFA450 is actually the same ID that you have in your Excel. Now, what you can do is just copy the whole link before this ID, just copy everything, then create a new column here. So just insert it and then type in a little formula, and the formula will be equal hyperlink. And in the parentheses, I'll just paste whatever I received. So everything before ID equals, and then I'll put down ampersand. This is this and sign, and I will click on column A. So this will say do not modify contact yada yada. Let me enter the second parameter, which is just open record. And if I end this parenthesis, I can see I have my links here. Now, if I want to check out this person, I can just simply press on this link, and this will open it in Dynamics. Voila! And this is how to open a lot of records very quickly without re-entering the names again. Hopefully you found this useful. My name is Loro, and thank you so much for watching. Cheers, bye.